Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right, so before we start with today's discussion, please allow me to mention about an offer that will reduce your capital requirements for trading various segments like the NSE futures and the MCX futures. Okay, talking about the NSE futures, you can trade contracts like Nifty, Bank Nifty, SGX Nifty, etc. with just 6,000 rupees for one lot, whereas in MCX you can trade one lot of crude oil, copper, natural gas, etc. for just 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Okay, for gold and silver, it will cost you around 10,000 rupees per lot. And not only this, you will be happily surprised when you get to know the other features that are being offered. I can't give you all the details here as there are many, but I will surely share all the details post you get in touch with me. In today's scenario, if you want to trade one lot of crude oil, you need to have a minimum of 1.6 lakhs as your capital, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Similarly, for Nifty, for just one lot, you need to have at least 1 lakh as your capital. Now replace 1.6 lakhs with 4,000 to 6,000 rupees and 1 lakh with 6,000 rupees. It does make a lot of difference to a retail trader like you and me, right? So that's the help I want to extend or offer. And if you are interested, then you can get in touch with me on the details that are being shown on the screen and we can take it forward.
As discussed in the 11th of September 2024 technical explanation video for Bank Nifty trading, the setup really worked well in today's trading session. If you see the 5 minutes Bank Nifty futures chart, the day's first opportunity to trade came up in the 9:25 am candlestick. It's very clear that the Bank Nifty was facing a resistance at R1. The sell entry would have been made in the 9:30 am candlestick post it breached the previous candle's low priced at 51,350. Sell trade entry price 51349. Target 51249. Stop loss 150 points above the entry price. So as you can see on the charts, Bank Nifty easily slides down to 51,150, which exceeds our target of 100 points. Please be reminded that you need to follow the technical day in and day out in order to get comfortable with the setup, post which the money will start following you. I hope that today's technical explanation would have helped you to get a grasp of things that we discussed yesterday. Happy trading, guys.